Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy cryptocurrency on the Edge wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Edge wallet. Come at the bottom panel, click on this icon to reach buy. Okay, and on this page you can first select your region and then you'll get the respective payment methods for that region. And what you need to do is just select any payment method, and then after that it will prompt you to this page where you need to select the asset you would like to purchase. Let's say you would like to purchase Bitcoin. Okay, just enter the amount, let's say $50, and then just go ahead and tap on next. You'll see how much Bitcoin will receive for that amount, and you'll be able to see your provider as well. You can change that. Just go ahead and tap on next, and then allow it to take pictures and record video while using the app. And then basically go through the payment process. Let's say you're using Paybase to do your transaction. Okay, let it happen, and once you complete the transaction you can just go back to the Edge wallet. You'll see your crypto has been added. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.